the difference, right? Okay, this is black. Okay, what does it mean to place even? Even number. The ball will fall on an even number. Same with odd.
Hey, Donovan, go with 9,000. Give me 9,000 Yes, I will. I keep learning on
The program is actually very good. It teaches us a lot of things that people wouldn't normally. It's actually very useful because it teaches us things that we will not normally learn. Like for example, why gambling is bad, and naturally gambling is bad, but you don't know exactly why is it bad. And some people when they gamble, you don't know the chances of you winning or some losing. And I really recommend this to other people.